Okay, what you need to do to change your DNS servers back is go to My Products. It's going to bring you to a page like this. Scroll down, and then where it says Domains, find the domain that you want to use and click on DNS. When that opens up, what you want to do is scroll down, and when it says Change Name Servers, click on that. I've already done that. But what it's going to do is it's going to ask you, it's going to have a different domain name server in here, and it's going to ask you to use GoDaddy's default. So what you need to do is just hit that, and then it's going to be the top option, which is use GoDaddy's default domain servers. Hit that, hit save, and you're done. And then once you've done that, go and get the SSL certificate via the link I've just sent you, which will get you an SSL certificate for $10 for the year. And don't forget to remove your site from Cloudflare if you've done that. Yep, let me know if there's any more problems.